What is happening, people? Welcome back to another video. I'm T2 Sugars, Welsh graffiti artist, and today I am at Coed-Y-Lan Primary School in Pontypridd.
Oh, look at that, it's perfect. Oh.
So why do I make YouTube videos? That's a great question. So you're probably all saying the same thing. It's for that sweet YouTube money, the fame that comes with it, and all of the brand deals. But to be quite honest with you, I haven't made a single penny from YouTube. From the 2.5 years that I've been creating content, not a single penny. And through YouTube, I haven't had a single brand deal yet. So I haven't made any money that way either. But I have made an amazing following. Throughout the last 2.5 years, I have gained 3,800 subscribers. I know to a lot it isn't much, but it is crazy to think that a guy that paints walls for a living has got that bit of a following. And then on Instagram, we just surpassed 7,200. And then on Facebook, we have just surpassed 16,000 likes on my Facebook page, which is just absolutely crazy to actually think that I've gained that much of a audience, a following, and everything. It's just mind-blowing to me. Yeah, and I know I've said this before, but for everyone that is smashed, slapped, kicked, punched, headbutted the like and subscribe button, without you guys, this doesn't happen, and it helps me out more than you can ever know. And this leads me on to why I'm doing the YouTube videos, and it's because I got inspired by other artists like Doke TV, Kipto, 1000, Slew, and most of all, Smonova. Without these guys inspiring me, I wouldn't have even bothered creating this YouTube channel and doing the artwork that I'm doing now. So I'm hoping that someone can stumble upon my video and then use their passion, their dream, and be like, if this guy can do it, then hopefully that I can as well. And let me tell you, you most likely probably can. And with time and effort and a willingness to put yourself out there, you will slowly start to see progress in your growth as your customer base will start growing and your audience will start growing. And look at the weather outside. Thank God we're indoors. We are coming to the end of day 2 here at Coed-Y-Lan Primary School, and I just want to quickly say this channel all started on the 5th of January 2020, where I had the message that I wanted to put out. Why not? Why not start a YouTube channel? Why not travel the world? Why not start a band? Why not inspire others? And why not do what makes you happy? we see loads and loads of people all over social media doing what makes them happy. So why not you? Why not me? Why not start today? See you tomorrow.
Day 2, here we go!
So I'm all done with this basketball section here now. And creating content for YouTube is never going to be easy. It is going to be a grind. You're going to be end up staying up till 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, editing videos, balancing family life with work life, until you then become successful enough to then be able to donate as much time as you can to creating the content you want. Then you are going to see the benefits of all of this. So it's getting pretty dark now. We have the lighting set up so that I can paint Gareth Bale and the ballerina. Now I got my lighting set up, I just want to say why I'm going to now continue to make sure to upload videos to YouTube, and that is because of the sense of community. I have been part of the Secret Writer a handful of times now, which is a group of artists from all over the world that do a name exchange, and I've had the awesome interaction with, like, dealing with Fussy from London. He was the guy who first reached out to me. I've spoken a load of times to Prophets from Australia, Vent from Italy. You know, I've spoken to loads of the artists from all over the world through this community, and I just think it's absolutely great what them guys are doing with the Secret Writer. And the other crazy community that I'm part of is the YIC. The YIC is 4 of us so far. It's Dork, Smo and Lazy Art, and they invited me to be part of the gang, the crew, as they say, and been taken in by them guys is just crazy, because they got up in the hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and little old me on 3,500 or 3,800. It's just bonkers to think of that. Them guys have asked me to be part of it, and being part of that group now is going to drive me to create better content and push myself even further with the videos, with the artwork, and get better, and hopefully that will then grow my channel and push me to bigger and better opportunities. So yeah, all done with this one, and I hope this video inspires someone to go out there and follow their dreams and their passion, and hopefully turn it into a full-time job like I've done. And big thank you to Coed-Y-Lan Primary School for having me down and having me part of the school. It's been an awesome week painting. Pleasure really, because it's been raining all week and we've been under this little shelter here. But yeah, hope you guys like the artwork. I hope you guys like the artwork. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. down here is this lovely little, like, area. Yeah, and this kind of leads me on to. So the message behind. Read you all that.